Every year I see him thing, no hurricane now come. Every time they say hurricane I come and none, make me buy up much things, spend much money, buy up much bread and tissue, and no hurricane now come. No hurricane now come, me sure this year I don't buy a thing. If you want to come, me come, me know say none now come, because every year they say hurricane I come and I'll know none can come. Say, Andrew carry hurricane come here? I him go see, me convince you Andrew. Andrew carry hurricane come here? Me tin things. Me buy up my sardine, me buy up my tin mackerel. Me buy up all of my tin things, them and my snacks them. And you know, say Tyler don't have to all snacks them come to think of it. Right now, about 6 bread me buy and 1 big jar of oil. And all of them something they hope so they can serve me. But me see Zyla eat half the whole life snack. Zyla! Snacks that him and them again, you know. Me never get a chance for nail down nothing on the roof, so me I go see what me can do before the rain come, cause God know the sky no look too promising at all. So me need to nail down them as quick as possible, because me never think no time coming about now it look possible. Like say rain I go come catch me, I no nail down nothing yet. Most righteous and eternal Father, as I come to you today, God, I just want to tell you thank you. I just want to give you honor and I just want to give you praise. I just want to lift up your name up high. Oh God, as I come to you today, I ask that you cover Jamaica. I ask that you reach out your hand and cover us in the mighty name of Jesus. I ask that you send back Melissa in the pit of hell.